What's up, everybody? Welcome one more time to literally our market updates um of Millionaires Fortunes, Josh here, and literally today is Monday, the 5th of February. It's a brand new month, and basically, as you know, every single Monday we have a look at the economic calendar just to see what fundamentals, what news are coming out throughout the week. And then we transition to our MT4 to literally have a look at different setups and see what pairs we can keep on our watch list. So if this is if this is your very first time to be with us here, don't literally forget to subscribe and of course turn on the notification button. So we're gonna start with the economic calendar. You can get this calendar on literally different website like Forex Factory, but also on our website, the website of our broker, tdmarket.com. And yeah, we're gonna start with Monday. So on a Monday today, basically, as you can see, there's nothing major. Okay, it's purely a technical day. Let's see. Okay, we've got some news already. 5 p.m. we've got the non-manufacturing PMI in the US market. Okay, and yeah, so it's purely a technical day. And then on Tuesday, tomorrow, what are we having here? Let's see, what are we having? So at 12, we've got the retail sales month to month, okay, coming from the Eurozone. Okay, we're gonna pay close attention to that. And then at 5 p.m., we've got the PMI as well that will be published. 7:45, we've got the governor of the Bank of Canada who's gonna have a speech. And we're also gonna keep that in mind. That's for Tuesday. And 11:45 p.m., we've got the unemployment rate that will be published, okay, in the New Zealand market. At the same time, we've got also the employment change that will be also published. So we're gonna keep these two events, okay, and see what's gonna happen. It's literally for Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, let's see on Wednesday what's gonna happen on Wednesday. At 8:45, we've got the unemployment rates coming from the Switzerland market. Okay, unemployment rates very important. We're gonna keep it in mind. Well, what else do we have here? Let's see. 5:30, we've got the crude oil stock change as usual from the US markets. Yeah, that's all. And on Thursday, let's see what we have on Thursday. Okay, nothing major. Okay, on Thursday, we don't have a major news, so we're just gonna skip Thursday. We go straight on Friday. So on Friday, let's see what do we have on Friday. Up to now, nothing. Let's see on Friday, what do we have on Friday? At 5:30, oops, sorry. At 5:30, we've got the employment change. At the same time, unemployment rates also will be announced in the Canadian market. So we're gonna keep a close eye on the CAD, okay, and see, of course, what will happen. So basically, that's it for this week. With that being said, we're gonna transition to our MT4 and of course see what pairs we're gonna keep an eye on. So we're gonna start with Gbpjpy. We're gonna transition to Chfjpy and then Nzdjpy, and of course we're gonna finish with Gbpaud. So Gbpjpy, we're gonna start with that. You can clearly see that we had a huge uptrend here, a huge movement there. I'm on H4 right now, okay? And you can clearly see that we've got something developing here. We've got the market that's developing itself, okay, this side. So we're just gonna keep a close eye on this correction here. So what do we want to see? We want to see the market coming down a little bit, creating a brand new low, lower than the first one. And then as soon as it creates the new low, what do? We anticipate a buy. Okay, so that's what's gonna happen with JBP, JPY, and then Chfjpy. So if I go on the H4, you'll see that we had this little correction here. If you were with us last week, you will understand that we got this trade here. It gave us a good profit, okay? And now if I go on H1, what's gonna happen? On H1, we're gonna consider this as our impulsive move inside the bigger correction. And as you can see, we had a retracement. If I place the Fibonacci, as you can see, when we place the Fibonacci, you're gonna see we have our zone here. The price came back, the price retraced itself into the Fib zones, and now it's trying to push up, okay? So you're gonna see we have a position, we had an entry right here, and our sell, I would say our stop loss is down here. And yeah, our position has been triggered. Okay, so what do? We literally anticipating a buy on this pair here, CHF JPY. We literally want to see a upward movement, okay, and see what's gonna happen. Okay, so this is CHF JPY, and we've got also Nzdjpy. What's gonna happen with Nzdjpy? When I go on H4, clear movement, okay, it's a clear movement. We had an uptrend, and of course we had this correction here, but you can see this move in the correction was quite aggressive. So what we wanted to see was an upward movement and then giving us a little correction. You see this correction here. And then from this correction, we can now anticipate a movement coming up. And it's exactly what the price did. Okay, as you can see, it rejected the lower structure, went all the way up, okay, and now it's developing a correction. The correction is complete already because we got a new low, the new low we wanted to see. It got the new low, okay, the new lower low, sorry, it got the new lower low, okay, lower than the first one, and now we're just waiting for the price to push up. As you can see, we have a buy stop right there, our stop loss right there, and of course our take profit is on the bigger one, the bigger correction, because we literally want to see this bigger correction being completed, the biggest, I mean the bigger structure, okay? And of course, to finish up, we've got JBP AUD. We've got JBP AUD. It's a simple movement. I'm currently on H4. As you can see, on H4, we have this upward movement. We had this movement here. We had the correction that we wanted to see. And now we're having another movement and another correction that's forming itself. Okay, so what do we want to see in this correction? All we want to see in this correction is the price going all the way down, creating a new low, sorry, a new low, and that will be our trade to go up. Okay, so we're gonna keep a close eye on these 4 pairs for now. And as for me, it's been a huge pleasure. I'm gonna see you again tomorrow. May God bless.